1. Geometrical forms. Hi there, friends. Can you see me? I'm the white sheet of paper behind. Behind this hand. Whose hand is that? Oh, that's Pikachu, sir. And what is he doing? He's drawing all over me. What for? Why can't he let me be? I like to be the nice, clean, white sheet paper that I am. He's making some geometrical shapes over me. Oh, can you see those shapes in the green panel? I think he's drawing those all over me. Hey, Viju sir, what for? Don't you like me as I am? Look at that. What is that he's drawing now? Some zigzag shape. What does that mean? Can you guys see? I can hardly see anything that he's drawing. Why is he drawing when we can't see it? 1 diamond, 1 square, 2 ovals, 2 rectangles, 2 circles, again 2 rectangles. Step 2, scribble. Oh gosh, is he going to scribble? Yes, he's scribbling over me. Oh God, what for? Now why is he scribbling? Wasn't he happy with the shapes? He's doing something more. I can see lightly some shapes, some funny shapes. I can't make out anything. Can you guys? Oh, his hand moves so fast. I really can't make out. Oh, how long is he going to do this? Oh, what is all this? Step 3, inking. He's inking me! He's inking me with a black pen. Oh, he's making some shape. He's drawing some animal. Is this a rabbit or something? Yes, that's a rabbit. Yeah, it's a rabbit. Oh, such a big mouth. Oh, what is that? And what is this? Oh, tail? A zigzag tail? Oh, he's rubbing me. He's rubbing me. It's tickling me. Please stop. Hang on. Oh, the pencil is back. What for? What is he doing? Isn't he happy with his work? I think he's just seeing what he's done with the pencil. What is he doing? He's measuring. Yes, he's measuring. Step 4, coloring. Coloring. He's coloring me. He's coloring me yellow. I don't like yellow. I just don't like yellow. Oh, what is he doing? He's making the whole face yellow. Oh God. Oh no. Oh no. Of all the colors, why yellow? And what kind of a rabbit is this yellow-colored rabbit? It's not a rabbit. It is not. It's that cartoon character. It's that cartoon character that children like. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh, now I know. Okay. Pikachu is all yellow, so I can understand. His tail is zigzag. Okay. Now, I think he's done. Oh, he brought in a red. Thank God. I love red color. Great. Now what? What is this? Oh, it's chin. And his eyes. Eyes are brown. Okay. And red mouth. Thank God. I thought he'd fill yellow. Brown and red mouth. And a pink tongue. Oh, it's looking so cute. Hey, Viju sir, that's great. Oh my gosh, you are drawing Pikachu. I didn't know that. Oh, Viju sir, you are great. You're just rocking. Wow, that's looking really cute. Oh my god, so lovely. Oh, beautiful. He's so cute. That's so cuddly. What is he doing? Oh, those are shadows. He's making shadows in the little Pikachu. And here, yes, this is shadowing. Look at his hand, the way it moves. Oh my gosh, the black ends of the ears. Fantastic. Simply beautiful, gorgeous. Wow. Oh my gosh, Viju sir, thank you. So beautiful.
Thank you, Viju sir.